wanted to show you what I got in a grocery store, but before I get there, I wanted to show you what's in my little tiny apartment fridge in a tiny house. As you can see, it's pretty stuffed, and it's quite usual for me because I like vegetables and a whole variety of food. So here's some cheese and butter. I've made these waffles a while ago and I have 3 left. And these are waffles with butternut squash and banana, so no sweetener added, but there are pieces of chocolate in it. Then on the door I have some cream cheese, and I had to put it in this bag just because it's easier to store. I can fold it like this, and that's it. I have some more butter here. This is fresh butter. And here I got some soy sauce and Dijon mustard and some Thai seasoning right on the bottom that I haven't used in a while. Let's put it all back. See, it's very compact. Waffles. And then here on the door I also have some almond milk. This is my favorite creamer for making cappuccinos. Some green onions, avocados, and you've seen the cheese and butter. Here I got cheddar cheese and some vegetables. These are just peas with a corn. And then I have my blueberry jam, almost running out, but need to go back to Kentucky for this. And then I have some pasta sauce, marinara. I also have some cucumbers that really need to be used, and some spinach. Feta cheese is here. I have some celery right here. I used the celery for my tuna salad. And then I've got this cottage cheese. Whole Foods had a sale on it, so I got 3 of those, which is a luxury for this fridge. Then I have more of this vegetable mix, and in this container I made hummus, and there it is, and it's kind of freezing this side because it's a small fridge, so I actually put the empty side towards the back of the fridge. I have some eggs, actually 2 dozens of eggs, Whole Foods Greek yogurt, some mushrooms, carrots. Then I have 2 more of these Nancy's probiotic. Then I have all the way in the back some mayo, which I really need to put in the front so that it differs a bit. Then I have my favorite miso, and you saw more eggs right here, Vital Farms. This is my favorite brand. Well, it's not. They buy eggs from different farms, but all of them are pasture raised. So I really like that concept. Alright, let's put this back right here. So let me show you now what I got. And this is all going in the freezer. So I went to the grocery outlet and I bought this acai bowl, organic. Never tried this brand before, so kind of looking forward to it. Then I got veggie hemp bowl, the same tattooed chef. I got spiced egg roll bowl, $1.29. And I got the Buddha bowl, also $1.29. So I'll let you know how this is. And I got 2 cans of organic black beans that were on sale for 79 cents. So this will all go into the freezer. In the freezer I have, here's some veggie burgers, a couple of frozen bananas, a few patties, cauliflower patties, a couple of peppers frozen, and blueberries on the side right here. I opened this acai bowl, and here's what's inside. 2 things. This bowl with frozen, looks like there's acai puree, bananas, strawberries, blueberries, coconut milk, and then this is the topping. Doesn't look too bad. 180 calories for like this, or $100 for that. 100 calories. So you pay for it anyway. So, and that was $1.29, and that was at a discounted store. So it says set granola, pack it aside, remove the film, thaw at room temperature for 60-65 minutes. Or you can microwave for 45 seconds. So I don't have a microwave, so it's gonna sit up in here. And this place is my peaceful retreat. It's nearby the tiny house that I'm renting, and I can walk here anytime I want. So this is a little waterfall, and then it extends, well, gets water from here. There's a stream that's going all the way from there. Beautiful flowing water. So I sometimes sit on this rock right here. Well, when it's not too wet. And look at the stream while getting bit by mosquitoes occasionally. But it's really nice because the leaves are just coming out. Look at these young leaves sprouting from the ground. These trees are evergreens, so they've been like this. But if you look over there, all these trees are having new leaves. And the stream, it has been flowing really well with all the rain. It's just very peaceful and comforting. It brings you almost to this meditative state. There's a built-out wall. Looks like it's definitely not naturally built out, but a couple of fallen trees here as well. Nice sunny day. Look at the sky. insects are having a fun time as well. You can see them, little bugs. Just a peaceful place with good energy. I will be departing the tiny house shortly, and moving on to the next chapter. So I am trying to get as much interaction with this beautiful forest as I can. Enjoying little things like, like this fern growing out. There's some other things I enjoy about this place. There's some flowers here and there. You can see right here. And a little bug exploring the flower. Just the diversity of the place is very interesting. Look at these flowers too. Very pretty. Even the tree, you see that tree right there, still has lots of flowers. Temperature here today is quite pleasant, not very hot and not cold either. There's the remnants of a building in this forest, and as always, the chimney is something that remains standing. That's kind of neat. And then this stream continues along the whole length like that, moving all the way down. That's kind of very nice as you walk. Just enjoy that. So, yeah.